In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the glow effect to a line chart or pretty much any chart for that matter in Microsoft Excel. So to do this, you want to first right click on the data series that you want to add the glow effect to. Now go to where it says Format Data Series. And you're going to want to click on this little hexagon type thing right here where it says Effects. And you're going to scroll down where it says Glow. And from here you can tweak the different glow settings to make it look how you want it to. So you can adjust the glow variations by having it be more or less intense and have it be different colors. Clicking on the blue, it looks like that. Clicking on the screen to here, it looks like that. You can adjust the size of the glow right here. So if you want it to be a lot of glow, then increase the size of the glow. Then if you want it to be less glow, then you can make the glow smaller. Let's use 25 as an example right here. You can also adjust the transparency of the glow. So if you want it to just be a little bit of glow, you can increase the transparency and it makes less and less visible. Or you can decrease the transparency to make the glow effects more and more visible. And this is great if you want to, for example, add a little bit of emphasis to one line of your data. Then you can add a slight glow effect. Whereas like, hey, this one line, for example, has a screen around it, it puts more emphasis on it. You can adjust the color too to be whatever you want. You can even adjust the RGB or hex color to whatever specific color that you want. And adjust the transparency as well from here. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful, and I hope it will help you apply the glow effect on your data in Excel. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, if you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.